You know, there are too many people trying to take care of other folks' business. And they can't even take care of their own. But what you need to do is take 6 months to mind your own business. And 6 months to leave other folks' business alone. All I'm trying to say is, sweep around your own front door before you try to sweep around mine. Sweep around your own front door before you try to sweep around mine. Now this is what you do. You smile in your neighbor's face and you talk about them behind their backs. Y'all know you do this. But if you found out they were doing the same thing to you, you know you wouldn't like that. Well, tell me this. Who are we to judge what other people do? Take a look at yourself. You'll find some folks too. Sweep around your own door before you try to sweep around mine. Well, you need to sweep around your own front door before you try to sweep around mine. Here's another thing, yo. You're always on the telephone.
Put on the phone. You have nothing better to do.
On someone else. Y'all know y'all do that. But you need to take a little time to stop, look in the mirror and check yourself. And here's the reason why. Cause we all have sinned and come short of God's glory today.
That's the word.
So we don't have time to spread hearsay. Sweep around your own front door before you try to sweep around mine.
You hear what I say?
Sweep around your own front door before you try to sweep around mine. Listen, put love in your heart where there is hate. You need to clean it up.
Grandma?
I waited too late.
Mind your own business.